Today, I am going to give a brief discussion about Indian Constitution. What is a constitution? A constitution is a body of rules, laws and principles on the basis of which a state or a country is governed. A state or country is governed on the basis of based on this constitution. A constitution is regarded as the supreme law of land. Supreme means this is the highest body in India for governing. The Constitution of India is the longest written constitution in the world. Longest. Our Indian Constitution is the longest and written constitution. This in written constitution is in the form of a book or a single document. Some countries also have unwritten constitutions, such as UK. The Constitution of India was ratified by Constituent Assembly on 26 November 1949. The Constitution of India came into force on 26 January 1950. At that time, it had 395 articles and 18 schedules. At present, now it has 448 articles, 12 schedules, and 98 amendments. Amendment means a minor change in the Constitution. This amendment may change time to time. The Constitution of India was drafted by body known as Constituent Assembly. The drafting committee was formed on 29th August 1947 and it was chaired by Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. It took 2 years, 11 months and 18 days to finish drafting the constitution. Why do we need a constitution? A constitution defines the fundamental nature of the political system of country. For example, the Constitution of India declares union to be a socialist, secular and democratic republic. In other words, it pledges to guarantee each of its citizens justice, equality, and liberty and promote fraternity among them all. Constitution clearly defines the power and functions of the three organs of the government: legislature, executive, and judiciary. It is a safeguard against the misuse of powers by the elected leaders and by any of the organs of the government. It regulates the relationship between the government and people. It lays down the rights and duties of the citizens of India. It makes special provisions for protecting the rights and interests of the weaker sections of society. A constitution is a body of fundamental rules that lays the framework for the governance of a state or a country. For law in our life, laws are integral to the functioning of society. We need laws to protect our rights and to ensure the overall safety and welfare of the people and the state. For example, in India, where certain social evils such as dowry, female foeticide, and child labor have existed for a long time. Laws have played key role in curbing their practice. The Constitution as the primary sources of all laws. All laws derive their legitimacy from the Constitution. The Constitution is the primary source of all the laws. Any law that goes against the spirit of Constitution is declared unconstitutional. Rule of law. The Constitution of India upholds the rule of law. This means that no citizen of the country is above the law and everybody is equal before law. The rule of law ensures that the country is not governed by the political leaders but by the law. It protects the rights of the people and limits the rights of the government. Law and dissent. Laws are made to protect the interests of the people. People can oppose a certain law if it infringes on their freedom or goes against the larger interests of the society. such, voicing of disagreement with official law is known as dissent. The Salt Satyagraha anti-liquor agitation campaign are two examples of dissent in India.